Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. Who can guess where we are? Well, I know you guys would have seen it in the title of the video, so that's already a giveaway. So this is the Duhaney Park Plaza / shopping center. This is a shopper's fair right here on the left. A few vacant shops still over there. We have a Scotia ATM, ice cream parlor, restaurant, computer store, and I see one two shops still empty. So this is the Duhaney Park Plaza. They have pharmacy, hardware, water store, cambio, barber, Chinese. This is Belly Bus restaurant on the left. Any of you guys ever had anything from Belly Bus? Let me know in the comment section. And then this is Key's Pharmacy right here. This was Shoppers Fair before, and then they expanded to the bigger building that we just passed. So this is a Duhaney Park drive. So yeah, we started out at the Duhaney Park Plaza. We're gonna take a quick trip through the Duhaney Park community. This is the total Duhaney Park on the left. So stay with me, grab a seat, put on your seat belt, and let's enjoy the community drive. If you haven't subscribed as yet, this is the cheapest way to support the channel. Remember to like, comment, and share. If you're from Duhaney Park, if you live in Duhaney Park, you grew up in Duhaney Park, this is the Duhaney Park police station. If you have anything to do with Duhaney Park, let us know in the comments as well. So these are some shops on the front, and pharmacy and wholesale, and you know, every little thing right here on the front. So they converted some of the houses to commercial. So family medical, water store, pharmacy, medical. Yeah, so these were all houses that they converted because they're on the front. So yeah, we have the Duhaney Park Primary over here. Anyone attended the Duhaney Park Primary that's watching? Let me know in the comment section. So we can't tour all Duhaney Park in one drive. So we're just gonna drive on the main here and probably go into one of the turns, one of the avenues. This road was super bad, but they completely paved it over, and it has been like this for a few months now, over 6 months, over 10 months. So it has been holding up, so that's really good. But this was a very bad road, so I'm happy that this is a restoration that makes sense so far. And I think what happened, they didn't patch it, so they repaved everything. So far so good. So again, if you're from Duhaney Park, let me know in the comments section. So we have Caldwell Avenue on the right. It's also raining, not very heavily. So this is also a rain drive. So we're getting some showers of blessing. So what you can do as well at the point of watching this video, let me know what the weather is like in your area. You know, whether you're watching the video at night or day, just let me know what weather you're experiencing. Alright, so we're gonna take this right. Take a drive in this community. Again, some of these community, like the first few houses, you know, they convert them in shop or wholesale. This is a play field over here. And again, guys, leave your comments. If you have ever lived on any of these streets, let us know in the comment as well. So Duhaney Park. Kingston. That's where we're driving today. So we're basically staying on the main or the major roads. Because if we're supposed to go on every street and every lane and every corner, you know, this video will not finish. Headley Primary. Alright, so the bus one pass. We have Headley Primary on the right. I guess school over, everybody picking up their children from school. So we're trying to give the bus some way. We have Headley Primary on the right. So, you know, you guys attended George Headley Primary? Let me know. To be honest, first I'm coming around this side, so I didn't even know that this school was around here. So the rain is coming down now. It's a bit harder. So we're having rain and traffic together. Hopefully you guys can see as clear as I can. Alright, so it's a quick drive through Duhaney Park. We cannot go on every street and every corner, so I selected certain roads to drive on. Hopefully I capture somewhere that you are familiar with. I'm gonna turn right here at this small neat house. I like the color combination. Alright, so on another day, another video, we'll try drive some other sections of Duhaney Park. But until then, thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and we'll end right on this sign, which is George Headley Primary.